Welcome to this practice. Today we are going to focus on just very simple but very impactful stretches and just to connect with your body, connect with your breath, and connect with yourself on a deeper level. So let's go ahead and get started, just making your way to your comfortable seated meditation. And once you get there, just take a moment, close your eyes. Always giving yourself a moment to check in with yourself. Giving yourself a moment to just simply become aware of how you're feeling physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So important to make time and space to be with yourself, to find stillness, to be in silence. Nothing to change, nothing to fix. Just simply observing. It's a beautiful practice that allows you to strengthen your relationship with yourself, which is the most important relationship you have. It allows you to build a healthy relationship with yourself. This is what this practice does for you and for me. Now, very slowly, go ahead and take a very deep inhale through your nose. Open your mouth and let it out. Second round, very deep inhale through your nose. Fill yourself up. Open your mouth, release. Just one more time together. Breathing in through your nose, feeling all the way up to the top. Open your mouth and let it out. Maybe you go ahead and open your eyes if that feels right, so you can make your way to your table pose. Just come into your hands and knees, and you're going to take a few gentle cat-cow movements. As you inhale, you arch your spine, lifting your tailbone, your chin, your hips, and as you exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, rounding your spine, and just like this, taking a few more rounds. Just very intuitively. Feeling your body opening up, feeling any tension that needs to be felt in order to be released. And maybe you move your hips from side to side, maybe your head, your shoulders. And when you're ready, coming back to your neutral table pose. From here, you're just going to bring your knees wide apart, keeping your feet together and your hips all the way back towards your heels, coming into your child's pose, walking your hands forward and bringing your head all the way down to the earth. Take a moment. Notice how this feels in your body. Child's pose is such a great posture, not only for your inner thighs, but for your hips, your low back, as well as your upper back. It's amazing for your digestive system. There you go, just letting yourself drop your belly, your weight, melting on your mat. fully present in your body. And slowly you start to make your way to your table pose. And from here, you're gonna go ahead and lift your right arm all the way up towards the sky, feeling your right shoulder opening up. As you exhale, slowly thread the needle, bringing your right hand towards the left side. Maybe you walk your left hand forward, or maybe you bring your left arm behind your back. If you want to also open up your hips, you can drop your hips all the way back, keeping your knees wide apart. But if not, just keep your hips aligned with your knees. Putting all your weight on your right shoulder, feeling your upper body opening up. And notice what happens. Notice what you notice when you find stillness and quiet time with yourself. When you're ready, slowly you bring your left hand underneath your left shoulder so you can lift your right arm all the way up. There you go, just changing sides on your own rhythm, your own pace, lifting your left arm up. And then you thread the needle on the left side, your own expression with your right hand, maybe walking forward or maybe behind your back. Just a matter of honoring what you need here, honoring your needs, honoring your timing. We women are cyclical and our body's constantly shifting. Just like life, just like nature, it's important to learn how to check in with ourselves and how to honor our timing without comparing ourselves with anyone else. Just taking one more breath here. You can feel free to stay here longer if you need to. When you're ready, you bring your right hand down, lifting your right arm all the way, your left arm, not your right arm, left arm all the way up. Left hand is down, you drop your hips to either side, making your way to your butterfly pose. Just bringing the sole of your feet together. And instead of bringing your knees closer to your inner thighs, you want to bring your heels away from your inner thighs. So you can just kind of like creating a diamond shape here. When you're ready, you're going to lift your arms all the way up and take a few cycles of breath, feeling your whole body opening up. Maybe you can feel your spine lengthening. Try not to overarch your back. Maybe you lift a little higher. Your hips are even on your mat, and then slowly you let it go. Forward fold. And it's not about how deep you bring yourself into the posture. It's about how much you can allow yourself to feel. It's about the quality of your presence as you're holding each posture. Notice your breath. Your body softens through your breath as you allow yourself to feel. The more you allow yourself to feel, the more you can release, the more you can heal, the more centered, the more balanced you'll be. It's all about moving towards feeling. Feeling the sensations in your body, feeling whatever emotion comes up. When we stretch our body, a lot of emotions can be triggered. That's part of your practice. That could be boredom, that could be frustration, whatever it is, just allow yourself to feel. There's no judgment, just observing. And if there's any judgment, allow yourself to observe that judgment. There you go. Now, very slowly, when you're ready, again on your own time, start to lift your chest and heart, walking your hands back. You're gonna bring your hands behind your hips and you're gonna bring your knees closer together, just moving your knees from side to side. And maybe you drop your head back, feeling a slight back bend, feeling your glutes connecting with the earth. And then you're gonna go ahead and slowly make your way to your reverse table pose. Fingertips are pointing towards your heels. Sole of your feet are grounded, rooted on the earth. And you're gonna lift your hips all the way up as you drop your head back. And take a moment, notice how this feels in your body. Really notice and really allow yourself to breathe into what you feel. Maybe you squeeze your glutes together. Notice your shoulders, your chest, allowing yourself to receive. Notice your throat opening up as well. There you go. Maybe you lift your hips just a little higher, lengthening your spine. And slowly bring your hips all the way down so you can make your way onto your back, all the way down. Bringing your knees to your chest. And you're gonna drop your knees to the right, arms to a T, chin to the left. Making sure that your hips are on the center of your mat. Beautiful. Changing sides, bringing your legs back to center, and let them drop on the left side, and your chin to the right. Now slowly bringing your knees back to center. Give yourself a hug. And no, right into your final resting pose, Shavasana. Just dropping your feet on the corners of your mat. And resting your arms alongside of your body with your palms facing up. Take a very deep inhale through your nose. Open your mouth and release. Just resting and receiving. When you're ready, slowly start to bring some gentle movements to your fingers and your toes. Maybe moving your head, feeling your neck. Maybe you take a full body stretch, bringing your legs together, hands over your head, and then slowly bring your knees to your chest, giving yourself another hug, falling onto your favorite side for fetal pose. And when you're ready, slowly make your way to your comfortable seated position, just exactly where we started, but now bringing your hands at the heart center in form of prayer. Bowing your head towards your heart, close your eyes, sealing your practice with gratitude, just whatever you feel grateful for. Remember always gratitude for your body, gratitude for your breath, and for this gift you have given to yourself. Together, one more time. Take a deep inhale through your nose. As you exhale, bow your head towards the earth, grounding your energy. Namaste. Thank you, thank you, thank you.